on, my beautiful people? Come enjoy this video today. Definitely a lot later start than I would like today for the dyno session. It is 8:51. I was supposed to leave at like 7. I was checking my oil levels and shit was just not adding up. So I had to do an oil change. Filter was fighting me. Also, I'm gonna do my PCV valve right now because I've been smoking a lot and that also causes a lot of other underlying issues and whatnot. And I didn't even know this was a thing right there. It's literally right there on the side of your intake manifold. I had no idea that was really a thing. Got this Car Quest one. So change it out real quick and be on our way again towards the dyno. Barry's already over there. Hopefully maybe we can catch some views of him. If not, no worries. Better safe than sorry, so. Look at that. Burnt the fuck up myself. Like, this was the worst spot, but yeah, it was on my headers, so that was fun. This is a 17 mil. I've never changed this before, ever. Barry mentioned it to me because I've been kind of excessively smoking. There's quite some oil up in there, a little bit.
You can tell that shit never been changed.
Yeah, this thing's never been touched, unlike me. You know, I've been touched all over by my girl, though. This is just the shit we deal with, you know. Dyno days are usually never simple. All the videos I watch with people, they go through a bunch of shit, have to change injectors, oil changes, running electrical issues. Let me change this thing out real quick. It's looking pretty cruddy. All right, y'all. That is it. Quick 5-minute job. It's literally right next to your intake manifold, above your alternator. We're gonna hit the road. We still have like an hour and 30-minute ride. We didn't eat shit today. We might have to stop for something to eat. Pretty soon. All right, guys. We made it. Roll last minute shit, but yeah, we made it inside. Barry's already did his dyno session, sadly. We missed it because we're late as hell trying to fix shit, but we're here. Let me know in the comments, what do you think the numbers are gonna be? Once I get on the dyno, everything should be set and good. What do you think the numbers are gonna be? Mr. Barry!
What up, what up, what up?
His RSX is already tucked away. I missed this, sadly. I wasn't gonna show you guys any numbers anyway, but I just wanted the dyno set.
Top secret, baby,
Yeah.
top secret. Can't share the numbers. If you see me on the street, don't try me.
Yeah, you're gonna get blown away. Homie Barry's trailer, he brought it with the RSX. Look at this beauty, man. Dyno. She's smoking a little bit, had to add some oil, went through a little bit of problems. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think the numbers are going to be? I want to know. I'm not expecting a whole ton of power or NA, but regardless, pretty excited about this to actually get a tune and hopefully, you know. Super hyped right now. I've never seen my car on the dyno. I'm excited to have the car running proper because it's really not running right. Super excited, man. I hear a lot of good stuff about these guys. Barry comes here, so I trust Barry. I know he knows his shit and who to go to, so. Yeah, that's
shit sitting up in there for the long.
It was sitting for a lot of months too.
Yeah, to set up a fan because your boy's smoking crazy. at 217. He said it made 230, but he had to dumb it down a little bit with timing and make it a little bit more conservative and play it safe because it's a brand new fucking motor. And I'm honestly happy with it. The way I was seeing it pull on the dyno, that shit was just going. And I'm like, all right, I can't wait.
Right.
Woo, let's go. 217. My guesstimate was like 223. I know Laura said like 221. We'll see. But shout out to Mastro. I think that's how you say it. So we out this. All right, you gotta tell me which way I'm going.
Take it right.
All right, we're gonna do a little hit right here. I mean, it's only right, right? You guys, we are on our way back home. We got like a 2-hour ride. I'm not super stoked about that because I'm kind of exhausted already. It's just the sun and just running around, waking up early, went to bed at 1 in the morning, waking up at 5:30, like, then just running around again because I need to fucking fix shit. So overall, pretty good experience. It went well. We made 217 horsepower. At first, it made 230. It could have made 230, but that's more on the unsafe side, you know, trying to keep it conservative and safe and whatnot. That being said, I'm happy. I actually had to go back around because after I left, I hit it and whatnot, and second gear, right before VTEC, was like breaking up. I have brand new NGK, I think, platinum spark plugs. I paid some money, you know, it was almost like 40 bucks or some shit for them. And supposedly they're no good. He told me to get a specific brand. That's what is breaking up. It's misfiring and whatnot. On our way back home, I'm gonna pick those up. More oil, so I get to get an oil change again because dyno sessions are rough. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a little while. Some shit. All right, as you guys can tell, we are back home. The car is here. We made it home. This TSX did a like 4-hour round trip today. I had a pretty good dyno session. I need to change my spark plugs. I think I mentioned before that it's kind of like breaking up and misfiring a little bit. But you've seen that we made 217 horsepower, almost. It was 216.53 or something like that. He said at first it made 230, which is pretty dope. But he wanted it to be more conservative and, you know, adjust the timing and whatnot. Unfortunately, I don't know what's going on. Kind of having a little bit of like oil burning issue. I got to the dyno session, I filled it up even more, and we got it to the proper line. I didn't have any more oil left. We used all that I had left. And as I get home, I'm checking down. I'm struggling to find an oil level. I got the readings before, but I don't know, it's like being really inconsistent. I don't know what's going on right now. You know, obviously I'm talking to my homie Barry. You know, just talking to my people, trying to figure some things out. This is kind of, you know, what's happening, or need a different oil. I'm using Mobile 1 5W30 full synthetic, which I've always kind of used, and I've used previously, but maybe with the weather, performance, heat, it needs a thicker oil, Type S pump. I don't know. You know, this is kind of new to me. It's kind of mind-boggling of how this is happening and how much oil is disappearing. But yeah, let's check it out. Nothing. It's like almost, I don't know if it's like nothing or it's like literally like right there or something. How? Like what's going on? Everything seemed pretty good. The tune was solid. The graph was flowing. Power band all the way throughout, which is nice. The car doesn't really stutter except, you know, the little misfire skips, which is, you know, spark and whatnot, it seems like. So, and that's what the tuner said. We actually, I don't know if we even caught any video of that. I don't think so. But as I left the dyno session, it kind of was breaking up when hitting in second before VTEC. So I spun back around. I just got to do this shit, figure out what the hell's going on with this oil stuff too, and kind of go from there. It's like right there. That's what I'm saying. Maybe the oil's too thin for like the Florida weather and just the heat and just the Type S pump and being more performance motor and shit like that and just not running for a while. Even though it's kind of more stock still, but you know, she running like a champ and is brand new and stuff. So I don't know if it needs a thicker oil like 10W30. I don't know, let me know guys, what do you think? But yeah, I've been rambling on at this point. I've just been excited. I'm glad that the TSX made a 4-hour round trip. You know, it's obviously running, but this whole oil thing is kind of weird. So we're gonna figure out, as always, you know, we always figure shit out. Like the power steering line, that got us down for a couple of days, but we back up. Maybe leaking a little bit or something, but I don't know, we tightening. We figure shit out, guys. Moral of the story is, if there's a will, there's a way. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and all the support. Let me know if you guys got the number correct with the, you know, don't cheat, don't skip ahead. Let me know if you guys got the number correct. 217, 216 horsepower. Some people were on my IG story were putting it up there. I'm like, all right, y'all trying it for this NA motor. I ain't put that much money into it and parts. Let me speed this up real quick. My girl's dying behind the camera. She can't hold it up anymore. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for supporting. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. It's your boy, Rish. And yeah, I'm out, because we never take a day off, work around the clock.
I'm an engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off, so high I cannot see.